Let's be honest. Running a manufacturing operation sometimes feels like juggling flaming bowling balls while riding a forklift. You've got surprise downtime, scheduling chaos, material delays, and that one machine that only breaks down when you're behind schedule. Every manufacturer has that machine. Now, imagine if something in your plant could quietly tap you on the shoulder and say, "Hey, something's off. Fix this before it becomes a disaster." That's the AI upgrade SMB manufacturers are finally getting access to, and it's a game changer. You know those weird machine noises operators swear are normal? AI doesn't fall for that. It listens to little vibration changes, temperature shifts, odd patterns in cycle counts, and tiny error codes you didn't know existed, and then it goes, yeah, this thing is about to stop cooperating. Suddenly, breakdowns aren't surprises. They're appointments you can plan for. It's predictive maintenance, almost like having a crystal ball, but with data. Now, less drama, fewer emergency phone calls, and way fewer "we're going to miss the order" moments. Look, scheduling in manufacturing is wild. One operator calls out sick, boom, the whole plan shifts. Material truck arrives late, boom, chaos. But your production plan shouldn't feel like a Sudoku puzzle. Custom AI looks at all those moving pieces and says, "Don't worry, I got this." It reorganizes the schedule the way your best supervisor would. If that supervisor could see every constraint, every bottleneck, and every dependency at once, and not need coffee to function. Also, have you ever considered quality control with superpowers? That's what AI automation can do. Think about how many defects slip through because spot checks happen when the line is busy, or everyone's rushing, or it's Friday at 4 p.m. AI doesn't have Friday at 4 p.m. energy. It catches defects in real time, midline, with eye never blink accuracy. And that means happier customers, less scrap, and less rework, aka the thing everyone secretly dreads. It's like giving your QC process night vision goggles. The best part? SMBs can actually afford this now. AI used to sound like something only mega corporations could do, like robots building spaceships. Not anymore. Today you can start small. One line, one machine, one quality problem, or even one scheduling nightmare. Solve that, prove the ROI, and expand. Cheap, fast, non-disruptive. The pilot-first approach is the new secret weapon. Keep in mind, AI isn't replacing operators. It's helping them. Imagine operators saying things like, "Oh nice, it warned me before the jam," or "Wait, we've never seen this defect this early." Your team gets to use their expertise instead of babysitting machines now. So don't leave your factory in the medieval ages of maintenance. AI is the one upgrade everyone wishes they had sooner. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, check out the links in the description. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick insights. See you in the next one.